In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change host in Zoom. This is a handy skill for those times when you need to step away, let someone else lead a discussion, or keep a meeting running smoothly without you. I'll walk you through the exact process, explain what to expect, and share a few tips so everything goes off without a hitch. First, open the Zoom app on your computer or mobile device and make sure you're signed in. You'll need to be the current host of the meeting to hand the role to someone else. If the meeting hasn't started yet, start it now so you have access to the host controls. Once you're in the meeting, look for the Participants button on the Zoom toolbar. Clicking this opens a panel that lists everyone currently in the meeting. This is where you'll choose who will become the new host. Pick a participant you trust and who is ready to take control, since they'll gain permissions like managing waiting rooms, recording, muting others, and ending the meeting. In the Participants panel, find the person you want to promote. Hover over their name and click the 3-dot More button next to it. A small menu